Hi, everybody. Sorry, I've already scored fiction. Welcome to the stream. I know it's been a while. I got a couple things to talk to you about. Namely, why I haven't been streaming very often, and also, I don't know, what's going on for the rest of the channel, what's going on in the future, and all that good stuff. But here's my Eek. He's still here. I'm thankful that NVIDIA's AI can differentiate between the background and a black kitty. He is not happy though. Hold on. All right. Okay. Let me make sure the volume is up to spec. I know that's been a thing. Let me double check that. I don't know why it keeps resetting like this, but it does. While you enjoy me in the void at the moment. So that's not the issue. That's not the issue either. I don't know why it's I don't know why the mic keeps on getting really low between me and you guys. Dios mío. Testing 1, 2, 3. Nope, that's too low. It's voice mod, right? Then why am I so low? I don't get it. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, Serana. Hi, PP. I don't know why it's so low for you guys. It shouldn't be. How about now? Anything? Want to? No, it's not even doing anything there. Oh, broadcast. That's got to be it. Hold on. No, the issue isn't that you guys can't hear me. The issue is that you guys apparently my voice is coming out way too low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, see, that's the problem. Yeah, you guys have it at max volume. I don't know why this damn thing puts me at such a low volume, and I can't see it. I can't see where the issue is. It's frustrating. There's always one setting that's hidden somewhere. It's pissing me off. Yeah, okay. I don't know. I'll just have to figure this out later and probably talk a little bit louder, to make sure that you guys can hear me. Anyway. No. I hope I've had this mic for like 6 years. I definitely know that it's in the right direction. I just I've noticed that this happens before, where my mic is like for whatever reason, it's really low for you guys, and I can't. I look through multiple different settings, and I can't figure out which one is causing my mic to be this low. I don't get it. And it's not like it's noise compression. I'm pretty sure it's not noise compression. Hang on. No, I don't have any filters on here. No, it's not noise compression. Yeah, I don't get it. Yo, spiel. Sorry, shouldn't be yawning. Anyway, so the main reason why I haven't been streaming as much as I've been wanting to, get myself out of the void first, is I'm still kind of adjusting to everything that's going on. The new job, the new environment, the new routine that I'm trying to build is, yeah, it's becoming an issue. It's probably the streaming software. Yeah. Maybe. Anyway. Okay. So, that's basically been it. I still haven't gotten a routine down. I'm still trying to learn aspects of the job, like what areas require more preparation than others. Trying to get myself back to thanks, Akira. Back to an exercise routine, and everything like that. It's just one of those things. I'm trying to get myself into it. It's just that the problem is like, oh, and also the other issues. I'm like, because there are things that are literally like walking distance away from me now, like things to go out and eat, things to go out and drink, that it's much easier for me to go out and touch grass after work instead of coming back and getting live. So yeah, I'm really sorry. The mic is low. I don't understand why it's being this low. It's being a jerk. Wait a minute. Hang on a second here. One, two, four. Whoa, wait. Wait, did that do it? Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there we go. Now you guys can hear me. Perfect. Sorry. Anyway, we got 2 sovereign citizens. Wait, the swear filter is back? Oh, fuck me. Okay. All right, is the beeping gone? Are we good? The beeping should be gone now. Yeah, I think the beeping is gone. Yeah, I think I fixed it. I realized I didn't realize all this time that a certain filter was on in voice mod that would just put in random bleeps, random swear bleeps in the middle of it. Now we're good. We should be good. All right. Moving on. All right. Things are fixed. Things are fixed. We're going to watch some Judge Simpson with 2 sovereign citizens, and we're going to go from there. And yeah, let's go. The kitties are great.
But if you're not consenting to the jurisdiction of this court, you might as well just sit down. You are not a named party. I do not have to hear from you.
True.
Right. Ian Redmond, P70599 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And your name, ma'am?
Doshia Banks occupant.
Pardon?
Doshia Banks occupant.
Doshia Banks occupant, Your Honor.
Okay. So you're not Miss Whitlow?
No.
So what is your position in this case as you see it?
If I may, Your Honor.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Ms. Banks claims to be an occupant of the property.
Uh-oh.
She filed a bankruptcy case listing the property as hers.
Yes, the
The
catcher's up.
bankruptcy stay was lifted, which gave rise to our motion to reopen the case. The order lifting stay I would like to present to the court because it has some interesting language in it, Your Honor, which includes, it is further ordered that the bankruptcy court finding this filing of this petition was part of a scheme to delay, hinder, and defraud VMC REO LLC. Additionally, Your Honor, the bankruptcy court ordered, let me see, notwithstanding Rule 4001A3, a bankruptcy rule,
Right.
creditor VMC REO LLC may execute on its order immediately. The order shall be binding and effective despite any conversion of this bankruptcy case to a case under any other chapter of Title 11 of the United States Bankruptcy Code. Further, that the recording with the appropriate governmental entity of this order shall constitute a bar to refiling any case under any chapter of Title 11 of the United States.
Oh my God. Okay, that's a very, very strong and direct order. She must have messed up big time for this.
Code as to the property located at 5779 Pinecrest Estates Drive, Ann Arbor, Michigan. The property in this case.
Wow, indeed.
A debtor in subsequent case under this title may move from relief from this order based upon a change of circumstances or for good cause shown after notice and hearing. Said bar shall be for 2 years from the entry of this order or until such time creditor relinquishes their rights to the property. This order came out June 24th of this year. I have a copy for you.
All right. Thank you.
I will note, Your Honor, that Ms. Banks has filed an appeal of that order in the federal Eastern District of Michigan. That appeal is pending, but the status quo as of right now is that there is no stay. And that order lifting stay holds until such time as the appellate court does something. Additionally, Your Honor.
Yes, go ahead.
Work is going good.
Additionally,
Thank you.
Your Honor, there is no stay from the appellate court.
No stay.
They have not
good.
issued a stay.
That's
and
important.
in fact, it would be appropriate that there would be a bond placed or an escrow order of some sort because BMC has been the owner of this property for the past year and does not have access to it. Additionally, Your Honor.
So this is a landlord-tenant issue. It sounds like the lady has gotten back off of either, I can't remember if it's either rent or mortgage payments. And in an attempt to get out from underneath that, she filed bankruptcy. And when you file for bankruptcy, one of the things that's protected is for the one who's filing for bankruptcy is that their residence their place of residence is usually protected for a period of time from. So in other words, they're protected from being evicted or being thrown out while the bankruptcy proceedings are going through. But it sounds like the bankruptcy judge got tired of this lady's shenanigans and has effectively barred her from filing for bankruptcy with respect to this property, or at least even in a general sense. And so that's why we're back here, and I assume we're here to try to get her out of the property.
There's more.
Go ahead.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah.
Additionally, Your Honor,
Taco, I did
Ms.
nothing about
Whitlow,
that.
who, as far as I know, actually exists, but I don't have any evidence to that effect, has not appeared in any hearings in this court, did not appear for her deposition that she was noticed for in the federal case.
M3, when is your brother going to make an appearance? When Alex, my brother, decides to thrust his parental duties onto mom for an evening. That's when.
And in a federal case, the federal court issued a show cause order to Ms. Whitlow that she had to present certain documents from this court, which she failed to do. Her deadline to do so was, I believe, July 3rd. Let me confirm that. Oh no, July 10th. And she did not supply any of those documents. I
Yep.
can present that show cause order if you would like.
I don't know that I need that because
Okay.
I'm not.
The reason that I mention all of this, Your
Yeah,
Honor,
go ahead.
is that this is $1 million house in Ann Arbor that Ms. Whitlow purchased with a mortgage and less than a year later defaulted. The foreclosure went through, the sale occurred, the redemption period expired, and we came forward to evict. Since
Okay, so just to recap, let's hear she purchased $1 million home, defaulted in less than a year, and the redemption period, which I assume is you get a period of time, the owner gets a period of time in which they're able to bring themselves back into, back up to speed with their mortgage payments and the back and whatnot. And so now we are in the we're in full on eviction. You should cover the Ethan Klein lawsuit with Devins, Casey, Tron, and Frogan. I mean, I would love to cover that. I don't know if Ethan has a good case. I mean, the problem that I have is that I'm not really up to spec when it comes to copyright infringement, especially even as a YouTuber. I don't know the full ins and outs when it comes to copyright infringement, when it comes to content and fair use. I have a good idea and good grasp of fair use, but it's interesting. However, I will say that I think Denims, Frogan, and Casey Tron have basically admitted openly that their intent was to steal revenue from Ethan. So anyway, I don't want to get back into that. We can talk about it later, but it's an interesting case for sure. I may have to cover it more in depth later.
Since then, there have been multiple bankruptcies. Ms. Whitlow filed 2 different bankruptcy cases. A young man who apparently lives in Arizona filed a bankruptcy case and listed this property as his residence. Ms. Banks has filed a bankruptcy case and listed the property as her residence. It should also be noted that Ms. Banks was a bankruptcy preparer and has been forbidden from the bankruptcy court from preparing bankruptcies for anyone other than herself. The order lifting the automatic stay talks about that scheme of fraud. I list all of these things to show that the scheme continues. And that's why we would like to reopen this case, because there is no stay in place. We would like to move forward with an immediate eviction, at most an 11-day vacate. And if for some reason that would not be amenable to the court, we would ask for an escrow order or a bond. On $1 million property, I think it would be reasonable that $10,000 a month rent would be reasonable.
Right. Thank you. Ma'am,
Yes, Your Honor?
what do you want to tell the court?
Well, just for 60 seconds, and then I wrote something up because I am nervous, quite nervous.
I bet you are.
But, I, Doshia Banks, respectfully appear specially and conditionally for the sole purpose of protecting federally vested occupancy rights and opposing unlawful state action. I expressly do not consent to this court's jurisdiction and do not.
Well, then
Any
you are
rights.
not a named party. So if you're not consenting to this court's jurisdiction, sit down.
Oh,
You can go
Get out!
because you're not a named party.
Get out!
I have a lease.
You are not a named party on this. You may have a lease with someone else and
No,
then
I have
you
a
can
lease
go
with-
challenge it. With who?
With Whitlow. Ms.
Then
Whitlow, who
you
is
need to
supposed-
go against Miss Whitlow.
Pardon me?
Then you
No.
may need to go against Miss Whitlow.
Get
But if
the
you're not consenting
fudge
to the
out.
jurisdiction of this court, you might as well just sit down. You are
Then
not a named
leave.
party. I do not have to hear from you.
Oh, I see. So I need,
If you're not a named party and you're not consenting to the jurisdiction of here, leave. You got nothing to do with this. Go about your day.
to,
I don't know what you need to do, but
well, let me respond.
to what? You're not consenting to the jurisdiction of this court. Why am I hearing from you?
I'm recanting.
You're recanting what?
Recanting what?
Stated.
Which part?
The part that, that I stated that I'm not,
Now that she knows what the ramifications are, it's like, okay, wait, all right, I'm gonna take it back. All right, I am the party in question.
I lost my spot, not consenting to this court's jurisdiction. So I'm
oh,
going to
that part.
recant that
Oh wait,
So
now she
you are
does
consenting
consent.
to this court's jurisdiction.
at this moment.
Well, no, it doesn't
Kelly, thank you for the $20 super
work
chat.
that way.
Uh-oh.
You don't get to say, well, now it's okay, and then not later say no.
Okay,
You know what? Here's the problem. You've not
Oh.
filed anything with this court.
No.
So I don't know why, on those grounds, why I'm hearing from you.
okay.
Basically what he's saying, like, I don't know why I shouldn't bother giving the plaintiff default judgment. You haven't filed anything in response. So why shouldn't I grant default judgment?
If I may,
Uh-huh.
I do have time, I do believe, to go file an answer and counterclaim. I was just
Oh,
led under
An
false.
answer
We're here now. What?
and counterclaim to what?
To their complaint for
Allegation.
eviction.
You have a lease with, allegedly, with Miss Whitlow.
Correct.
Then that is who you need to pursue it against,
Okay. And
or whatever the heck you're doing.
well, and-
Because you don't have, there is no privity of contract to the extent there would be, or relationship as between the plaintiff in this case and you.
Okay, I'm not really understanding, but
Well, let me put it a little bit more simply. If I grant the relief of the plaintiff in this case, and grant an order of a judgment and an order of eviction in
Okay.
10 days.
Okay,
Any claim of your interest in that property, you have to go after the Whitlows, because that's the only person you have a contract with. Allegedly have a contract with.
okay. No, there is an actual contract.
I don't know that, man.
We've actually been.
I don't know,
communicating with
I don't know
Remax.
that.
Okay, I know you don't know that, 'cause it's not before you.
Correct.
I see, I see. So
I haven't seen Van's latest
basically,
now.
the notice of removal that the Whitlows did,
Uh-huh.
They are not here. I don't know.
Who even are you?
I have documents that are not, that they filed with this court that are not signed. So I don't have to accept them.
Yep.
She has not appeared before this court, or they
Oh.
have not appeared before this court.
That sounds based.
And so as far as I'm concerned, any relief they're requesting, I can, and as of right, deny, and it should be denied also on the merits of whatever the motion is. But I can deny it because they're not here.
okay,
Okay. I'm running out of steam here.
again,
Uh,
stating to me, I want to make sure I'm clear that my issue is with the Whitlows, not with VMC.
Ma'am, I am not giving you legal advice.
No, I
You're
don't-
telling me that you have a contract. I do not know that you have a contract, but if you wish to enforce that contract, that's who you're going to have the issue with. You're not going to have the issue with the plaintiff in this case because they have rights on the property.
All right, Your Honor, I will speak with the Whitlows that I have finally got an understanding of everything. And I will speak with plaintiff's attorney as well and continue to communicate with Remax, who has came by the house several times.
All right. Based upon the representation of counsel, I'm going to grant their motion to reopen this case. I'm going to issue a judgment in the plaintiff's favor for possession with a writ to issue 10 days of my signing. Should the matter be appealed, also contained in that judgment in order, the appeal bond, I would set at this time at a rental rate or a rate. And I have looked at the property which is involved in this matter, and it is a significant property. I don't think the $10,000 a month quite does it based upon my calculations. So any appeal bond would be set in the amount of $15,000 per month that would need to be paid to maintain the appeal.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
I will prepare that and present it to you this morning.
Thank you.
May I say something? Our lease payments was not that high
Who?
at all. I'm not
Who are
sure what
you?
her mortgage payments were. That was not our amount we paid.
Then I'll tell you what. If the Whitlows wish to come and object to my order of $15,000 as an appropriate.
They can
bond,
come
may
over
do
here
so.
and talk about it.
I do not believe that you have standing to object to the court's order.
True.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
I know,
And
you didn't write it.
we'll await. I did.
So if you didn't hear that, basically Judge Simpson granted in favor of the prosecution and said that if the defendants want to appeal, they got to pony up 15 grand per month while the appeal is active. Which is, I think, is base because it prevents bullshit appeals like this to continue to allow BS litigation to get to fester on. All right, one more, Judge Simpson.
I'm going to pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place
This
him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir.
He did. He said something.
Mr. Drains, can you state your name, please?
Hello.
I, Cartier Amani Drains, hereby declare that I am a living, breathing human being, a natural person distinct from any legal or corporate entity or fiction. I do not consent to be,
Corporate fiction.
I do not consent
Okay.
to be represented or binded by any assumed legal identity or straw man. I assert my full rights under natural law and constitutional protection as a sovereign individual.
Uh-huh.
I stand before this court to represent myself. All legal matters pertaining to the charges brought against me. I reject any notion or claim that my person may be divided, operated or substituted by any separate legal entity. I affirm that all statements, evidence, and arguments I present are made on behalf of my living self, fully understanding my rights and responsibilities as a free individual.
Hey, you finished? All right, the court on its own motion is going to adjourn this because we're going to have an issue here. I have a feeling. I'm going to adjourn this probable cause hearing next week, August 7th, 2025. That's at 9 a.m. That is in person. He must be here so that I can hear him clearly in terms of what he wishes to say to me.
Yes.
Bond at this time will continue. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll follow up with you. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Does call the case of the people versus Stephen Javon.
Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mr. Javon, who's approaching.
Not gonna lie, I feel like if Serrana like stays this size forever, I mean, I'd be okay with it. This is like almost perfect. This is almost permanent kitten size, which I'm okay with. Maik is a big boy. He's like twice her size. She's purring. Baby girl. She's my baby girl. Of course she is.
58 had my social security backwards and everything. Had me at the wrong birthday. I was born on Christmas, 12/25/66.
All right, based.
Your Honor, we're requesting to adjourn this.
How old is she now? She's like a year and 3 months.
Matter.
State your name for the record, sir.
Red Crockett. I haven't had any income or nothing. They shut down. I didn't put my name at this. I didn't put my
Hang
birthday.
on a second, sir. Have you ever gone by the name of Stephen Javon?
Yeah, they had me listed at that name. That's my.
They had that listed as your name, but you're saying your name is something different now?
They had me listed at that name. I didn't know. I woke up from what they were doing to me. I had attempts to kill me, man. I hadn't had a night's sleep or nothing. Right now, my health is down, man. I'm suffering from a gunshot wound from segregation, in which I'm
Okay,
still
no,
going
no.
through stuff. I left a hospital with open wounds. Something
Okay.
happened
Okay.
But I just
not
need
too
to
long
know.
ago. And then you were part of something. I'm really excited conflict of interest with this. I'm really just
Wait, what?
excited to kill this case, man. Because this case is, they got me the last day of the art fair. The last day of the art fair, I'm asking you to kill the case.
What art fair?
That's what happened to me. They made a false report and they got me.
Okay, all
going
right.
through this stuff, crazy
Hold on,
stuff.
hold on.
I'm sorry, what?
At some point, I myself or some other judge will hear all of your complaints. I just need to know,
Meanwhile, who is this James Harmon character that's just like chilling on the recliner?
do I have the person in front of me that this complaint pertains to? So that's why I'm asking you. You've been known by the name Stephen Javon before at some point, correct?
Yeah.
Okay,
Boy, I was.
all right. Counsel, what do you want to do on this?
Approach, please.
No,
I
Maybe
can't keep going
approach-
because I ain't had no income. I can't keep going that stuff with it. Just doing stuff. I mean, I've had.
is this
too
gonna
many
be
cases.
important?
Appreciate it.
It's okay, yeah, come on.
This is an
Okay.
open and shut state. I shouldn't be.
What?
Go ahead, okay, what are we, record to reflect, you had a brief bench conference in this case, what are we doing with this man?
Your Honor, the people would like to request that there is an order for a competency evaluation. That is on a people's motion. I think that given what we've just heard from the defendant, it's an appropriate request at this time.
Any statement?
Evaluation.
I would
They
agree.
Almost killed me.
Who killed-
Sir?
Get me out this
Sir,
room, man.
sir,
Oh, no.
Killed me, man.
Sir,
I can't keep
sir.
going through this, man.
sir.
I'm not gonna go
Sir.
through no evaluation because I got an education, man. I'm not going through that no more.
Sir.
You did this last time to me, man. It's already a conflict of interest. Yeah. I'm just saying.
I'm gonna say,
he got
sir, I'm gonna say,
something now.
sir, one
I
more
had a
time.
Reaction to that.
Sir?
Almost was dead from that allergic reaction, man.
Allergic reaction.
You and Collins, man. Already.
Okay, yeah,
I'm gonna,
okay, yeah. This guy's like stream of consciousness, ranting sounds like he definitely needs an evaluation.
order competency evaluation, forensic
I'm gonna order you
evaluation.
for a competency evaluation, man. I'm finna sue y'all, man.
You wanna
Soon as I
know
leave
what?
here.
You keep talking, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm
'Cause
not
I'm
gonna
gonna
get no
get- I'm
evaluation
gonna
from
get
you.
through-
You're not gonna do
I'm
to
gonna
be a
get
demon.
through this hearing,
Meanwhile, James Harmon is over here cold chilling on the recliner.
all right?
Not
If
gonna
you
be-
don't wanna conduct yourself appropriately, then we'll sit you in back until you can come out and conduct yourself appropriately.
I ain't going to no competency evaluation. I don't need no competency. I had medication I shouldn't even have in me.
Oh no. Okay. Yeah, that'll do it. Look, man, if a dude off his rocker ain't wanting to take his meds, I mean, this is where you're gonna get out of it.
Almost
I'm gonna
died,
let you
man.
go
I'm
on
not gonna
and try
be,
to
in
get
no-
it
I'm
all
not gonna
out.
be under no pressure with no medication. I'm not gonna be taking something that I'm not.
All right, I'll
no-
tell you what I'm gonna do. I've given you 2 warnings. I'm gonna pass the matter. Mr. Allen, you can place him in back. I will decide on what his bond is and everything else. You need to go with my bailiff, sir.
Man, you sitting there. I'm
You
finna
need
do
to
a truck,
go with
okay?
them. Call
I'm a-
security, call security down.
Courtroom the same way, but- Man, that's what the same way. You a part of something that did something to me, man. all the time.
You guys might want to go check back there. That, I don't know what's gonna happen.
That's his back.
What? What about his backpack?
Oh, it's your backpack? Oh, I was like,
You can take it home with you. I'm not, well, they'll get it.
yeah.
Just leave it, just leave it there. I am not worried about that backpack.
Should be.
I'll pass this matter and we'll come back to it,
Thank you.
maybe.
Don't make it.
Court calls case people versus Justin Duffany.
Victoria Burton Harris, Assistant Prosecutor of Aaron Capital People.
Kyle Burrell on behalf of Mr. Duffany, who's approaching the podium as we speak. Mr. Duffany, please introduce yourself to the court.
Bro, come on. All right, you know what? Never mind. I'm not gonna talk about it.
Thank you, Judge. Today's the date and time set for probable cause conference. I was just appointed on this matter yesterday afternoon. So we are asking for a brief adjournment for discovery and for plea negotiations. At this time, there's also a bond violation or a.
There is.
Yes, Judge. So I spoke to Mr. Duffany. He went to community corrections yesterday at 4:20 p.m., but he did not have the money to test, so he was unable to. We did discuss today. He's going to go immediately to community corrections after this. I do have an email from community corrections to confirm that he was
Is
there.
he gonna
yesterday.
test clean?
I believe so, Judge. Yes. He's on what?
Are you gonna test clean?
I'm on Suboxone. I'm prescribed Suboxone.
You're prescribed it? I'll pass it. He needs to get over there and test and then come back.
So thank you, Judge.
I'm not doing it anymore. Take some thought. Just go on. Okay, court recalls the case, people versus Justin Duffany. Yeah.
Good afternoon again, Your Honor. Victoria Burton Harris, Chief Assistant Prosecutor appearing on behalf of the people.
Kyle Burrell back on the record with Mr. Duffany. Justin, please state your name for the record.
Hello.
Justin Duffany.
I think the defense attorney is really tall.
With Mr. Duffin.
He doesn't have a prescription for cocaine, Mr. Allen.
I would assume no. Gonna be all right. Gonna be all right.
All right, I'm going to adjourn the probable cause conference to August 14th, 2025, 9 a.m. His bond at this time, given the violation, his bond is revoked. Defendant's remand.
Thank you, Judge.
I know, but I don't know if anyone, I don't know why I passed them.
On June 14th, 2025.
Where's my background? It's non-existent. Not until I get things squared away in this house apartment.
Officers in Washington got a call from a concerned witness reporting seeing an intoxicated driver in a white SUV swerving between lanes and striking curbs before finally pulling into a Goodwill parking lot. When the officer arrived on scene, he spotted the driver standing right next to the white SUV. Here's what the officer did next.
Where's Mike? Mike is doing his own thing. He's probably in, like, chilling on the bed.
Hi there.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
What's going on today?
I'm just putting some.
What's that?
I'm just putting some. Yeah.
I'm putting some coolant in my car.
Oh, okay.
You're putting some coolant in your car. Interesting.
Did it break down on you?
Yeah.
It did. What happened?
It's skin hot.
Skin hot?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It means skin hot.
Oh, just outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Were you in a collision at all? Did you hit like a curb or something?
Nothing. I hit it. Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes.
Okay. Were you talking to some people out here?
No, I haven't.
You just had the hood up?
Yep.
Okay. So the reason I'm here is people are concerned that you've been drinking and that you were driving earlier. They said that they were following behind you in the car.
No.
You might have crossed over some lines. You might have hit some curbs.
I didn't hit anything.
You didn't hit anything?
None.
Okay. I'm going to be honest. You're presenting to me as if you've had some drinks today.
No.
Totally sober.
Totally sober?
Yes.
Okay. What's your plan for the rest of the day?
Sober.
I'm basically trying to just clear all this up.
Do you see how I might think that
I'm not.
you didn't see
I hit
how
my
you just
knee on
all
my
fell into the
PC.
car just now?
I didn't fall into it.
Okay. You saying I didn't see that?
Thank you. You're a police.
I'm a police, yeah.
He's a police. He is a
What's
police.
that?
No, I get what you. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay. I am quite concerned that you're intoxicated.
I'm not.
Okay. All right. Well, my partner's on her way here. She's going to want to talk to you too.
That's fine.
All right. So, where were you before this? Like before you got here? Before you realized your car needed fluid?
I put the fluid in. That's all I did.
Where were you before that?
Doesn't matter. Here, I did what I did.
Do you not remember?
No, I remember. It doesn't matter. It's not a cinch.
Okay. Go ahead and don't get in the car for me right now. Stay out of the car,
No,
please.
not get in the car.
You're getting your keys, huh?
Don't get your keys.
You've got a bunch of dirt on your back. Were you laying on the ground?
No, I wasn't.
How'd you get all that on your back? Are you aware that you're covered in dirt and plant material on your back?
Yep.
How'd that happen?
Why are you guys here? Come and get it.
You don't remember when I just told you why I was here?
Why are you here?
Explain it to you
Gotcha.
again?
Yes.
Okay. So somebody called 911. They said they were following you.
You weren't following me.
When I say following, I mean more like they were driving behind you.
All right.
And they saw your wheels go over the line. They saw you hit some curbs.
I didn't hit nothing.
You didn't hit nothing? Okay. I'm just telling you what I was told. You asked why I was here, so I'm telling you.
That's fine.
Okay. It was what you asked for, in fact. Well, my partner's pulling up right now. So, she'll have some questions for you. What was your name?
Yeah.
Judy.
Julie?
Judy.
Judy. Judy. That's what her name is. Judy.
Judy, sorry, I didn't hear you. This is Judy.
Hey, Judy.
Hold on, I need to find the
Hey,
fat
my
cat.
name's Officer Evans. How are you doing today? Yeah.
I just pulled over and put some solution in my car.
What kind of solution?
It was something I got from O'Leary.
What's O'Leary?
Leary is a spot that you get it. So basically, I put it in there.
Was she thinking O'Reilly Auto Parts? Is that what she was probably meaning to say?
And I put it in.
Judy, you can leave your keys right there.
No, I'm fine.
You can. Can you just put your keys right there? Where are you coming from?
Came from the water.
The water?
Yep.
Like a restaurant?
Yep.
Where were you at?
Nothing.
What restaurant did you come from?
Basically, I just put solution in there to make sure it was clear. That's all I did.
Okay, solution. Okay.
And that was something that I pulled up there. That's all it is.
And what restaurant were you coming down from at the water?
Doesn't matter. The whole point, the solution was put in here. Look at
I'm gonna have you not reach in your car right now, okay? Just for our safety. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah. So people were worried about you. Said you're hitting things on the road.
That's not true.
No. Do you remember hitting anything with your car?
Never hit nothing.
Nothing. Mind if I look at your car real quick,
Go
just to make sure?
ahead.
All right. You got a couple scrapes and bumps on the car. What's that from?
That's from years ago. I bought this car.
Bought the car?
Yeah. From somewhere.
I see. Listen, we're doing a welfare check right now to make sure that you're okay to drive this vehicle. That's
Well,
what,
I don't have to drive it.
yeah, you already were driving the vehicle. That's the point. So we need to make sure that you're okay to continue driving and that you were okay to drive the vehicle. So how much alcohol have you had tonight?
2 drinks.
2 drinks?
Hey,
What were you drinking?
I was drinking vodka.
Vodka? Straight?
With a soda. With a diet soda.
With a diet soda. Vodka with a diet soda. What is that?
A diet.
Diet?
Come on!
Yeah.
What's that?
Diet.
I see. I see. So 2 vodkas. How long ago was that?
That was a long time ago.
A long time ago? I gotcha.
That's what I'm saying is that I need to add on to the bingo category. It's a bingo box when somebody says they've had either like 1 drink or like more than 2. Because everybody says 2. If I put that as a bingo box, that's an automatic it's an automatic like free space. So an appropriate bingo box should be 1 or more than 2.
Have you ever taken any prescription pills today?
Nope.
No prescription pills?
Nope. I'm sober as hell.
Okay. Any drugs?
Sober as hell,
Nope.
she says.
I don't do drugs.
No drugs? No marijuana?
Never. Nothing.
Judy, right?
Yep.
Judy, I think that I'm going to ask you just to step over here real quick because I just want to make sure that we're not by that door. Okay? Let's stand over here real quick. What? Judy? Judy? Let's just stand right here, okay? Let's just talk right here, okay? Where were you going to?
Home.
Where do you live?
It doesn't matter. It's all sober.
All right, you had 2 vodkas with soda a long time ago. Is that what you said?
Yep.
What's that mean? How long ago? Well, it matters for me. I need to make sure you're okay to drive the vehicle.
I don't need to drive the vehikel.
We're not going to go back to the vehicle, actually, okay? Hey, so I'm going to ask you a couple questions.
I
okay?
want your questions too, because I'm going to do my lawyer.
No problem. Hey, so I think you're impaired by alcohol, okay? So
No,
would
I'm
you-
not. No, I'm not.
I want you to listen to me, okay? I'm going to ask you a question. We're going to have a conversation, right?
I think you don't know what you're doing.
Okay. Would you be willing to participate in voluntary field sobriety tests to make sure that you're okay to drive this
No,
vehicle?
I'm fine. I need to.
We're not actually
No,
gonna-
whoa. You
All right.
need to have. No,
All right, you're under arrest for DUI.
Yeah, I think we're done. I don't think they look. I honestly don't think they needed to bother wasting everybody's time with the FSDs.
No, you're not.
I need you to put your arm behind your back for me.
No, you're not.
Good one. Go against the car, okay? Go against the car, okay?
Don't
We're gonna use an additional officer,
No,
please.
you know what? Let's talk about this. I'm not drunk.
Judy,
All right.
I need you to stop doing that. Otherwise, you're gonna get charged with resisting arrest, okay?
You can't do this. I'm sober.
Okay. Stop moving your hands, Judy. Thank you. Let's walk to this car, please.
Nope. I need my.
We're not gonna do that.
Phone.
Okay.
We'll get your phone.
Nope. I need my.
Okay.
You guys don't get it.
All right.
Go in.
Okay.
Go to that.
Nope.
Go right here on the wheel. Keep control.
You got it. And then go get it. Go get the shit.
Please stop trying to slip the cuffs.
I'm not trying to. You are.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Nope.
Do you have any drugs on you?
Nope. I don't do drugs. I never did drugs.
Do you have
in my
anything
life.
on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, or hurt me?
Nope.
Okay.
Where's my neon sign? My neon sign is back at the house in New Jersey.
Widen your stance, Judy.
No, that's fine.
Widen your stance, Judy. There we go.
Please stop fighting with us.
We're not doing nothing. Take the shit off.
Got anything in your shoes I need to know about?
This is garbage. You guys are doing a bullshit. Okay. Why are you guys all up on me?
Well, you were fighting with us a second ago.
I didn't fight with anybody. You're a liar.
Okay.
You're a liar.
Judy, you're being
No, you're a
less than
liar.
cooperative.
No, you don't tell me something I know with God. And there's a difference. You want to fight with God? You fight with Him.
Oh.
You don't fight with me.
I don't want either of those things.
Then shut up. You release it. I didn't do nothing. I'm not even text for business, dude. What you got is recorded now. And
Oh,
what
it's
you
recorded.
got?
Oh, it's
yeah,
recorded.
it's recorded.
You're
It's
being
recorded.
audio
You're gonna stop with that.
Stop fighting with me.
Well, no, I'm not fighting with you. You're fighting with me. Because you can't get me. Because God got me. And that's the way it's gonna be. God turned in the middle of this God is so. You do what you
Judy,
do.
listen.
They're
Judy,
recording.
Judy,
They're
listen to me.
recording. In the name of
Judy,
God.
Judy, we can stay standing up. We can
Yeah.
stay standing up, or we
Well.
can move this.
You will always be killed, both of you. And
What?
that will be.
I need you to calm down for me.
I'm not calm.
Yeah,
I'm
let's take a
coming
breath.
down for you. Come now. The God and the safe of love. I'm not.
Okay, I need to finish the search. Very uncooperative.
There's nothing wrong with the search.
Clearly fighting us here. If you can come replace me, I'm gonna finish the right side search.
We need a wrap. Judy,
What?
are you gonna be cooperative with us?
I'm not.
Okay, we don't want to have to put you in a restraint.
Do what you need to do. This is bullshit.
Okay, you're under
'Cause
arrest
I
right now.
didn't. That's fine. I didn't do Let's go to you. Get off of me.
Stop fighting with me.
No, I'm not fighting with you. Get the off of me.
Judy, just face forward. 642. Can we see if a nearby unit has a wrap?
I have to
Get
get
the wrap.
to work tomorrow.
Okay.
Why are you arresting me?
You're under arrest for DUI,
Oh, good.
driving under the influence.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not drunk.
That's a Jedi mind trick right there.
If you would mind filling these out from what you saw, that'd be great. And then obviously don't include what you saw here because that wasn't how we got here. But just your info up here, what you saw, and then you'll sign on that signature line right there, okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to read your Miranda rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand, Judy?
No, thanks.
Okay, would you like me to read them again to you?
Yes.
I'm going to read it one more time to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a live
Get
question.
off me.
Nope, that's not gonna
Right.
happen.
It's
Nope.
gonna happen.
Nope.
Because you have no right to hold me this way.
That is your opinion.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm done. Do what you need to do.
That we
Own
are.
it.
Okay.
Own it. Just own it.
They are.
Get the off me.
Stop fighting with me.
I'm not
No, we're owning it. They're
fighting with
owning
you.
it.
Get the off.
Judy.
No, shut your.
Judy, what's going to happen if you continue to resist this? Is we're going to put
This
you
is
down
not
to the
your
ground.
little punk. What you are.
What?
I want my purse. What are you doing?
If you stop fighting, and just
Stop. What
Okay.
the are you
Put her on the
holding?
ground.
Put her on the ground.
There you go. Is it supine or prone position that we got a wrapper in? On her belly? Prone? Prone? Alright. We'll leave her in this position for now.
Why are you gonna do that? I mean, I thought you were
Because I'm
cool.
afraid that you're going to fall down.
I'm not. Just shut up, dude.
Judy, do you understand why you're under arrest?
Shut up, man.
Okay.
I
Do you have any
ain't
questions?
shit.
Just play your game. Just do yours. Yeah. I know.
You want to wait to wrap for it until the eval?
No, we'll eat a wrapper, and then Abe can eval her in the wrap. Hey, Sarge. Hey, how's it going? Good. Oh, not too shabby. Let's get her, the wrap set up, and then we'll prone her down. Oh, no. Okay.
Not yet.
Oh, sorry.
Sure.
Get the little. You treat a good girl like that? Wow.
Do you have a double cage? Perfect.
Down for nothing. Cat down for nothing. No, you're wrong. No, I'm not a f***ing stupid bitch.
Well, you kind of are. You're kind of acting like one.
All right. Roll her to me.
This is how it works.
Roll for her.
How do you work at this place? Crazy. I need my phone, please.
Made in the goddamn USA.
Did that go further?
Get this shit off
I don't know
my head.
why. They make that very prominent on their
No, I
gear.
don't want it on my head.
Where is that spot that you want me to grab?
Oh, I need my shoes, don't I?
get your shoes.
Oh, wow. Crazy.
Ready?
Oh, wow.
All right. You got this door?
How do we buckle that side?
Yeah, just to keep her from rolling off it.
How do you want to do this?
We got to open. Let's try and get that.
This
around the
is
body.
just a little crazy, don't you think?
I mean, they didn't need to do this. This is the only reason to do it is because of your actions.
No. We're just
I
going
think
to...
that'll secure the feet. Don't go around her neck. Try and get around her body. How's it going? Yeah. We got one highly uncooperative. She's said she was injured, and when I asked her how she was injured, she said that we're being mean to her. So because of the claim of injury, we just got to carry you
Okay,
out.
gotcha.
Yeah.
Judy, you want your phone and your what from your car?
Yep.
Phone and what?
I need my purse and my phone.
Can I get it out of your car?
Yep.
Judy,
What do you want?
I'm with the fire department. We're here to help you.
You're not here to help me.
All right. Are you diabetic? Are you injured at all?
En route?
Judy?
Injured by your bullshit.
Good one.
Got here. We're just here to see if you're okay.
I'm not okay.
Okay. Are you injured at all? Do you have any medical history?
I think it's all playing the game.
Okay.
No,
The suspect was charged with DUI and driving without a valid license.
All right, this will be the last one. Yeah, this will be the last one. You know what? We'll go with Van's latest. I haven't heard it yet. I haven't seen it yet.
You have to have valid insurance in order to drive a car. It is a valid stop. I'm not going to argue with you. You can stop now or you're going to be under arrest.
I'm an attorney. I'm going to let you know.
Oh no. Oh no.
That right now. Say you pulled me over, but I was already out of my car before your lights even came on.
That's not how that works!
You're about to lose all qualified immunity if you don't let me up out these handcuffs and release me right now. You see that Black Law's dictionary in the back seat?
No! He said Black Law Dictionary! No!
Welcome back to the Van Balen channel, guys. Today we head to Salem, Oregon for yet another right to travel fail, courtesy of the very guru whose members I've been featuring on this channel over the last couple of months. Well, today he's leading by example by getting...
Oh, wait, it's the couple! It's the couple's outfit! Oh, of course. Let's go.
Arrested in under 5 minutes. Right, let's get into the video.
You want to take a seat on my bumper then? Okay, you're pulled over because your car has an expired insurance.
So his first words are, "What is?" She said, "I parked you because you have expired insurance." He's like, "What does that have to do with anything?" All right then.
You have to have valid insurance.
Awesome, Randy. Congratulations, I guess.
In order to drive a car. You were driving. 575. Can I get a second unit? One's available. Code 2, please.
I don't need insurance, I wasn't driving, and you didn't pull me over. How can one man be so wrong about so many things all in the space of 10 seconds? The internet really does have a lot to answer for.
Have your license, registration, and insurance, please? I'm sorry? It is a valid stop. Do me a favor, go ahead and take a seat on the front bumper, please. Sir, I'm going to need you to stop.
Excuse me, this is not a valid stop.
It is a valid stop. I'm not going to argue with you. You can stop now or you're going to be under arrest.
For what?
For interfering right now. You failure to provide a driver's license. You are operating a motor vehicle. You're required to provide documentation.
Do you have a body camera on?
Yes, sir. It's right here. It's recording.
So this is not a valid stop.
I'm going to ask you one more time to take a seat on the bumper, or I will place you in handcuffs and detain you.
You're not going to detain me because
I am.
Dude, what part of I'm going to ask you one more time before I cuff and stuff you do you not understand? Also, you don't get to determine what is and what isn't a valid stop on the side of the road. You may think you do, but you don't. That's why courts exist.
Listen, man, I've not committed any crime.
You're committing one right now by failing to provide a driver's license. So if you continue to do that, then I will place you in handcuffs. Those are the options. Either you take a seat on my front bumper, either you take a seat. Okay, well, you're not free to go. So you are being detained right now.
Why are you touching me?
Stop.
Stop touching me.
You are being detained right now.
You are illegally
up against the car, please.
Why are you touching me? Why are you doing this to me? Excuse me.
I explained to you why.
No, you didn't.
I
This is
explained
an
to you
unlawful
why.
detention. Can you please stop?
What do you mean?
So I would say this is probably resisting without violence right now. My fishing, but at the point when she stopped him, he is being detained. Again, I'll never understand it, regardless of whether somebody's a soft sit or not. I don't understand where these guys get this idea that that making it to your house is home base. I'll never understand it.
She didn't explain it to you. I don't think she could have made the consequences for refusing to comply any clearer to you. Why you're behaving like this is news to you is amazing.
It's not unlawful.
It is unlawful.
I need you to relax.
Observing all right.
You are resisting me right now.
No,
relax your
it's
arm.
an unlawful detention. You cannot
Relax
touch me.
your arm.
What crime have I committed?
You can argue it in court. We're not going to argue here on the street. Relax.
It's an unlawful detention, man.
It is not an unlawful detention.
Why are you touching me? What crime have I committed?
You are under arrest right now.
For
Relax
what
your
crime?
arm. We can argue it later.
What crime? You have...
What crime? Well, let's see. There's driving uninsured.
Driving uninsured, failure to carry and present.
Failure to carry and present.
Which is directly tailored to obstruction.
Obstructing governmental or judicial administration, and what looks like resisting arrest. This, like the officer said, is argued later in the appropriate place. i.e. caught, not during the arrest process. Someone who later in the video claims to be an attorney shouldn't need someone like me to explain that.
575, go ahead and step it up. He's non-compliant.
I'm not being compliant.
Relax. Your arm
the one that's
now.
You're the one that's touching me unlawfully.
You're right, I am.
Okay, unlawfully.
I'm not playing with you.
Okay, you can't
You
just...
can relax your arm,
What
and you can
crime
go
have
in
I committed?
handcuffs.
What
I've
crime
explained
have
it to
I
you
committed?
several times what crime you've committed.
What crime? I
I've
haven't
explained it
hurt
to you several
anybody.
times.
That's
I'm
a
not arguing with
crime.
you.
Why are you doing this to me, man?
Dude, what part of she's explained it to you several times? She's not arguing with you on the
She already told you like several times, no insurance. But because you're in denial as to that affecting you in any way.
side of the road. Do you not understand? You're literally Lucy from Lucky Louie.
Why?
Lucky Louie.
Because the sun comes up later.
Why?
He's just refusing to come.
I love kids. Don't get me wrong. My niece, she's the greatest thing ever. She's absolutely adorable. But God help me when she gets to her Y phase.
Comply right now, but he's under arrest. You're under arrest. Okay.
Cindy, thank you for the 43 months.
I got it. Thank you. Here.
Okay. Is there anybody else in the car?
No, it's just him. It's as far as I saw. If you want to double check. Do you have an ID on you, sir?
Well, he's either gone into a mood and he's giving the officer the silent treatment, or he's finally learned how to invoke his Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Whichever one it is, and I'm going with the former, for obvious reasons, it doesn't last.
I'll go ahead and take those. Okay, come back here. Face the 911 for me. Go ahead and widen your feet.
She just turned 3.
Got anything on it that's going to stick me or poke me? Fantastic. Want to lean back from the car a little bit? You have a knee brace or a artificial leg? Go ahead and take a seat, sir.
Okay.
Go ahead and take a
We
seat.
have one right here.
All the way in the car, please. All the way in the car, please. Thank you.
We'll talk to you in a moment, okay?
That, my friends, is how you arrest a soft sit in under 5 minutes. Props to that officer for not tolerating any of his BS. Anyway, now she gets the officers who responded to her code 2 urgent call up to speed.
No, he got out as soon as I pulled up behind him. So, here, let me, oh no, it's on. So, I pull in behind him. He's got invalid insurance. Speeded past me over on Hawthorne and Monroe. He gets out, refuses to comply, won't sit down, won't give me anything, saying he wasn't driving. Clearly he was. And then, so I told him, I was like, well, here are your options. Either you provide me with your driver's license or you're going to be detained. Didn't want to comply with that. Put hands on him, still not complying. Called for a second unit, now we're here. Didn't fight or anything, just resisting. Sorry?
So it was fighting.
No, not fighting. Oh, I'm sorry. Just like, you know, tensing up, refusing to put his arms behind his back. I'm sorry?
Is he in talk?
Not that I can tell. Nothing obvious. I don't smell anything. He's not slurring or anything. Just not cooperative. So I'll work on IDing him and figuring out what we got. Okay.
I think the only thing this guy is under the influence of is, unfortunately, his own stupidity.
All right, sir, just so you know, everything in here is being audio and video recorded, okay? And he didn't have a wallet on him, so I don't know if he's got ID in there, but he's not talking to me. All right, sir. Are you going to provide me with your name, please? Name and date of birth is all I need from you right now. Fantastic.
Yeah, they eventually find out who he is because apparently he is well known to the police. Shocking, I know. But not before he goes on a rant that Dr. Evil would be proud of, part of which you heard during the intro.
No wallet in there?
There is maybe a wallet in there, but
Okay.
did he give you a phone?
No, he's not talking.
Here, pause. Hi. How's it going? That'll be her job. You have to talk to a supervisor. I'm putting the keys on your hood.
Thank you, ma'am.
You wanted to talk to a supervisor and you want to hear if you look talk to them.
Oh, Lordy. I'll read them. Okay. So it's my duty to warn you before you make a statement that you have the right to remain absolutely silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to consult an attorney before making any statement. If you're without funds, you have a right to a court-appointed attorney. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to consult an attorney before making any statement. If you're without funds, you have a right to a court-appointed attorney at public expense. You have a right to have your attorney present when and if you do make any statement. You have the right to interrupt the conversation at any time, and anything you do say must be freely and voluntarily said. Do you understand these rights?
Does the guy who think he has the right to operate a motor vehicle on a public road without insurance and soon goes on to cite the Uniform Commercial Code and Black's Law Dictionary as a reason to handwave dismiss state law understand his rights? Yeah, I'm gonna go with no on that.
I'm certainly do.
Do you have any questions about your rights?
I want to know why I'm in handcuffs.
Okay, but I just need to ensure that you don't have any questions about your actual rights first.
Yeah, my right to be free is not to be put in handcuffs. So why am I in handcuffs?
Do you have any questions about the
Because
rights
your
that I
mom.
just read you?
Nope.
Okay.
Why
You are
am I
in you are in handcuffs because when I stopped you, you got out of the car and refused to.
Stop me.
Would you like to hear the answer to your question, or do you want to interrupt me? Okay. So when you got out of the car, I asked you to stay in the car. You refused to do so. I asked you to sit
You
down.
asked me.
Do you want to hear
I
the
don't have
answer?
to. Right?
I don't have to. Well, the fact that you're sitting in the back of a police car in handcuffs playing semantic word games kinda says different.
Do you want to hear the answer?
You asked me, right?
Okay. So then I told you to identify yourself, which you also refused to do.
Right. Which
So-
I have every right to do because I haven't committed
You
a
don't
crime.
actually. So you are
Actually, I
required
do.
by law
Do you-
when you are operating a motor vehicle to
I'm not
identify
operating a
yourself
motor
when
vehicle,
stopped in a
nor am I
traffic stop.
driving. I'm an attorney. I'm going to let you know
Okay,
that right
well-
now.
Yeah, I bet you are. Like as if cops even care about that kind of like threat. Seriously, I've never in all of these body cam videos, I've never ever seen a cop get intimidated by anybody who claims that they're an attorney.
You've lost all qualified immunity at this point because you don't have a reasonable articulable suspicion nor a probable cause of the crime being committed.
Yeah,
Alright,
you keep
gotcha.
telling yourself that little story if it makes you feel any better, but it doesn't change the fact that you're completely wrong. Also, and just an FYI, claiming to be an attorney if you're not can be a crime. So
Potentially, yep. It could be either a criminal or a civil infraction.
I would be careful who you try to intimidate with that.
Not only that, you introduced and called other people to get involved in your situation and open up my car.
You mean asking for backup for an uncooperative subject? Shocked. I'm shocked that she would call for backup.
Our door without a warrant whatsoever. You don't even have a warrant for me whatsoever. You pulled me over for a non-moving violation based on what? You say you pulled me over.
Pretty sure failing to have insurance is a moving violation.
But I was already out of my car before your lights even came on.
There you go, guys. According to this legal world,
Or at least it's treated as a moving violation.
all you have to do is pull onto private property and jump out of your car before the police put their lights on to make the traffic stop invalid. Genius.
You about to lose your RA. You about to lose all qualified immunity if you don't let me up out these handcuffs and release me right now.
Okay, well, that's not going to happen right now.
Okay. So what?
But what I
crime?
do need from you
What
is
crime?
for you to identify yourself.
Guess what? Browns versus Texas says I don't have to identify unless there's a crime that has been committed. You don't have any crime that's being committed.
I'm an attorney, says the guy, cherry-picking a case that even a random fella from the north of England can clearly see has absolutely nothing to do with refusing to identify, following a lawful traffic stop, or driving without insurance.
Are you aware that you...
Hold on. Shut up, Van. Brown versus Texas was a SCOTUS case in which the court determined that the defendant's arrest in El Paso for refusal to identify himself after being seen and questioned in a high crime area was not based on a reasonable suspicion of wrongdoing and thus violated the Fourth Amendment. It is an important case in relation to stop and identify statutes. Yeah, dumbass! Has nothing to do with you. The reason she told you the reason why she stopped you is because she probably ran your tags and it noted that this person doesn't have valid insurance. That is a valid reason for a stop. She didn't stop you for literally no reason or totally random. She told you that she stopped you for having no valid insurance on the vehicle, which probably means, and if she can prove it in court, that she ran your tag and it flagged you as having no valid insurance.
England can clearly see has absolutely nothing to do with refusing to identify, following a lawful traffic stop, or driving without insurance.
Are you aware that you are required to identify yourself, carry a driver's license while operating a motor vehicle?
Contract with the state.
I am the highest of authority
whatsoever. That's why you can't find me in the DMV system. I have no contract. I don't have to abide by anything that you're talking about because right here within this county and this city, within your municipal code in which you operate under, street and road is both defined as open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. So if it's open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel, why are you harassing me? You need to go look up the definition of road, street, alley, way, or public highway right here in which the city for you work for. What?
I'm listening.
Okay, so go ahead and look up the definition of street, road, highway, byway right here in your municipal code.
Oh, right. So now municipal codes that you think give you the right to operate a motor vehicle on a public road without insurance apply to you when you think it suits your position. How convenient. What do you think this is? Some kind of legal pick-a-mix?
For what purpose?
Because it says that I have every right. I have an open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. That's verbatim what the definition says.
A right for vehicular travel.
Open
for what?
as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. That doesn't mean driving.
So you
that doesn't mean covers.
Traveling in a vehicle.
That I'm traveling in my private conveyance, which is
there it is, private conveyance. This was a bingo box extravaganza. Come on.
It's under UCC 9-109.
UCC, let's go.
Under state law, which means you are required to have a driver's license.
Do you see me operate? Am I employed? Do you see that Black Law's dictionary in the back seat?
Black Law dictionary.
Okay, first of all, for future reference, it's Black's Law Dictionary, not Black Laws. If you're struggling to
Black Laws
pronounce the name of the dictionary, that could be a sign that matters of law might not be for you. Secondly, the state of Oregon get to define the word driving, not you and your outdated version of Black's Law Dictionary on the back seat.
Okay, I'm guessing he's Cameron. Oh, hi, sorry. I'm guessing he's Cameron, the RO, who is suspended. No picture, no, because when they're suspended, for whatever reason, they pull it from the system.
I'm not in your system. You're gonna get a. I appreciate you. You don't let me go.
Is your name Cameron? Are you Cameron?
I'm not identifying now.
Yeah.
I have 30 license right now. I'm not going to argue about this. I'm an attorney. You're not going to get anything.
That's fine. We just need your name.
I'm not giving you anything.
And the longer we do this, the longer it's going to take, right? And
Listen, the longer, no, I was illegally. No, I don't have to listen, and I'm not going to. My rights have been violated. The 4th, 5th, 6th, and 1st. I have a right to remain silent.
Let's stay silent.
Good. If y'all want to do that, guess what? The lawsuit gets bigger, and you're going to be qualified immunity. It's going to be a conspiracy against you because you're included with it. It's going to be a 19.
Conspiracy gets rights.
I already got a 19.
He's going to claim he's got a Title 18, which private citizens cannot do. Title 18 is a criminal. It's a criminal statute. It's a criminal section. Criminal title. There we go. What he probably thinks is a Title 42. Title 42, Section 283, that gives him a civil action against them. Not that he has a case, but whatever.
So the more y'all do, the more I get paid. This is what I do. So if you want to do this, you see the black girls get you in the back seat.
Have you been paid thus far from this?
Yes. Do you want to be the next one to lose qualified immunity? Because I'm not going to play that. It's an illegal pull load.
Yeah, so apparently a few cops did lose their qualified immunity as a result of this and previous interactions with Cameron. Unfortunately for him, this all took place in a dream. Anyway, according to Cameron, the initial charges have been dropped, whatever that's supposed to mean. I'll leave any and all updates in the description. Right, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you also to my channel members and patrons for your continued support. I really appreciate it. And if you would like to support me and get early access to videos like this, then all the links for that are in the description. Right, take care all, and support me and get early access to videos like this, then all the links for that are in the description. Right, take care all, and I will catch up with you in the next video.
Shout out to Van, as always.
What's up, bro?
What's happening, man?
What's up? You
What's going
here
on?
for this?
What's going on?
They did.
Yeah, this looks like a Spirit Airlines passenger. All right, we're gonna close out with this one. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll probably see you guys Friday. Okay.
They just put me and my kids on the plane with no explanation.
Who?
He keep picking out the door and shutting it. So you go ask him himself, and then give me the explanation. I don't know. And me and my daughter, it's her birthday. My son and my other son right here. We got on the plane with no explanation. Asked us to get on.
I'll talk to him. See what's going on. All right.
See what's going on. And I bring him the out here because I'm going to smack the shit out of him.
Not the best thing to say to a cop in front of his face that you're threatening to assault somebody.
No, I'm not having no seat. That's racist shit. I'm not having no seat.
Have a seat for me. I'm gonna talk.
That's racist? It's racist to ask him to have a seat. Gotcha.
I'm not having a seat. You can go talk to him. I'll stand right here. I'm not having a seat. Not at all. Myra, go sit down. Or sit down.
Did he tell you to sit in the back of the airline? What's racist? Sorry.
That's the Myra. Or sit next to Brittany. Tell him to come outside. Whoever asks us to get on the plane, I want to know the reason.
Yep, I'll talk to him, man. Just have a seat over there for me.
I'm not having no seat.
All right, man. Well,
I'm not having no seat. It is what it is. I don't give a f*** on none of that shit. It is what it is. You look like you do your push-ups and shit. I fight good as shit, bro.
I'm not worried about fighting, man.
Hey, that's cool.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
This some racist shit. So it's going to be a fight if this don't go my way. It's going to be a real fight. So I hope y'all fight good as shit or shoot. No chance at all. Not one. So I hope y'all handle this shit, bro. Come over here and talk to him. Don't even come over here to me, so I'm telling you, you don't have no chance with me. Come talk. Come stand with him. Don't stand behind me or none of that shit. The nigga keep picking out the.
My man.
Get him, bro.
Hey.
Ask somebody ask me to get over the plane.
I'm gonna need you back.
I need that racist. We're not doing that racist today. You not with that racist. You Max. You with me, bro? Get the off.
Wait a minute. This entire time he's been accusing him of doing racist shit. Was a black officer? The entire time he's been screaming about racism was with a black officer. Okay. All right. Gotcha.
Y'all not putting your hands up, bro. If y'all want to talk, y'all talk.
Put it to the ground, man.
For what? For what? For what?
Back up, back up, back up.
Bro, listen, you're doing too much. I tried to be cool. I tried to be cool.
Kids, bro. Bro, you doing a lot in front of my kids for what? For what, bro? For this white lady, bro?
What does a white... Bro! Oh, God. Okay, there's layers. There's layers to unpack with this.
I need you to back up, man, please.
Back up, brother. Get the key. I ain't gonna do nothing to him. I'm let them. He went off this white lady shit. I don't know what the going on. What you just tackled me for, bro? What did you tackle me for, bro? Let me up. I'm gonna get a hang up.
Nope.
No what?
You're not getting up.
Cause of this white lady? Well, you.
Oh, because the female officer is what? I thought because the white officer was female. I knew his partner was white. I didn't realize it was a female.
Hold, bro. You doing what this white lady say, bro?
There it is.
Bro, are you doing what this white lady say to you, bro?
Listen, man, just calm down, man. Relax.
You can put me in handcuffs you want. Why you listening to this white lady, bro? I'm not fighting you. Do you want to put me in handcuffs?
I'm about to.
Come on, put me in handcuffs. Bro, get this white off me, bro. I'll let you put me in handcuffs. Tell her to get off me and let you put me in handcuffs. Bro, what the f
Holy
wrong
shit.
with you, bro? I didn't do nothing wrong. And you fighting me. We are f***ing.
I told you I didn't want to fight you.
Man, shut the f up, bro. You wanted to do this. You wanted, come on. Hey, babe, get my shoe. He's a f***ing cracker just like her. I ain't about to fight these motherfuckers.
Oh, okay, all right. Just call him Uncle Tom. It sounds like that's what you want to call him. God damn.
Babe, get my shoes.
Back up. Please back up.
My bitch.
Look, I'm trying to be nice. Back up.
Let her get my shoes. You the one that had this tackle me and you on for real. Because if I flip y'all off me, it's going to be a problem. Now, if I flip you on top of her, you're going to look crazy.
You just said you want to go in cuffs, right?
I'll go in cuffs. It's not a problem. But get the f off me and let me go in cuffs. She on my leg. The shit hurt, bro. She on my leg.
That's right.
Like, bitch.
Oh!
Get the f off my leg. I told you. Just off my leg, bro. Get off my leg.
Gotta stop resisting, man.
What am I resisting?
Gotta stop resisting.
So I gotta let y'all hurt me?
No, you need to stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
I'm not trying to hear you sitting here and fight with you, man.
Am I fighting with you?
Yes, sir, you are.
What I do to you? You got a camera on?
Bucking off, yes,
Do you have a camera on?
Yes, sir.
I didn't touch you. Old ass girl, I elbow the shit out you in your mouth and you gonna be mad. Over here.
Coming my way. My way.
Look at him.
My way.
He about to come over here and kick me.
Gotcha. Go.
Go away.
What are you doing? What are y'all doing?
No, stop.
What are y'all what?
Let's go.
It's rule. It's rule. It's rule.
Wait, that's the other officer saying that?
Nothing.
No, I don't care.
Get your hand behind your back, okay? I got one, so leave it there, Sarge. Leave your hand there, Sarge. Leave your hand here. I got one.
I'll tighten the handcuff. I'll tighten the handcuff. I'll tighten the right one. I'll tighten it. I ain't say tighten the right.
Sir, you have lost your rights right now.
Lost my rights to do anything? Go that way?
Yep.
I don't have no rights. I don't have any rights.
Not right now.
No rights, bro.
All right, we're gonna sit you up.
You gonna sit who up? He holding my ankle. How you gonna sit me up?
When you ready to go up? Yeah, we ready.
How? You holding my ankle?
Watch out, Hill.
Yep. And pull my pants, you bitch. What the f you looking at me crazy for? You're a whore.
Let's go.
Yeah, handcuffs off. I'll slap the shit out you, bro.
Of course you would.
I say, you know it. I record this shit. Record this shit. Put your hands off me.
Imagine doing this in front of your wife and kids. That's pretty sad.
Get your hands off me, bro.
You got it.
Man, get your hands on me, bro.
Take him out. Where we go?
Record this. 10 to 10:33.
Yeah.
Record this.
Okay, so what happened other than what we got?
Okay, so I run airport operations.
Well, I think we're about to find out, Deacon.
Spirit, I was downstairs on our 1 through 29 gates. I get up there, talk to the captain. They say, yeah, approach them, say, hey, you can go off the voluntary way now, or OPD will be called.
Okay, so they were both drunk.
Okay.
And he said, I don't want any law enforcement trouble. Gets up halfway through the jet bridge. He starts spitting in my face.
So he was on the flight?
Correct.
Okay.
Calling me racist. And I get out here. He's telling me he's going to slap me. He starts picking up these things and trying to hit me with them. And keeps playing chicken with me around this this thing.
Did he actually spit on you?
Yeah, he spit on my face.
So there was actually spit on your face?
Yes.
Okay.
Get both your hands off me, bro.
Damn.
I'm in handcuffs. If y'all don't do what I ask, bro, I'm not walking. I'm gonna start spitting in y'all face.
Don't do it.
Make your hand off the back of my neck. I promise to God to you, bro. Get your elbow off my back, bro. Okay. All y'all to do is what I asked y'all to do. Why the fuck y'all walking with y'all elbows in the back of my neck? Y'all is elbowing in the back of my neck, bro.
You're gonna bring you up to your knees.
What are y'all doing?
Sit up, sit up, sit up. Bring you up to your knees.
To do what? All right, man, bring your leg in for me.
That's your feet.
Do you want to press charges? He's going to jail regardless.
I don't want to press charges. I think he's drunk. I think he made a mistake. And I just want them to
Okay,
know.
so he's just battered at least 4 of us a few times. So he's got felony charges on us.
Are you saying even if I don't press charges, he's still going to have felony charges?
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay, then yeah, don't worry about whatever misdemeanor or whatever be spitting on my face. Yeah.
Oh, well, here's the thing. Now it's just all on us.
Okay, sure.
No. I get it. But this is the thing we run into. Come out here, we get into this fight, and now everything's our liability, which is fine.
Sure. No,
Which is fine.
Sure, I'm fine with it.
No big deal. It just makes a stronger case.
Okay, sure.
Right. So I think she's trying to make the argument that, like, if there's an initiating basis for the cost to be involved, then that makes the battery on LEO more stronger when there's an underlying charge that instigated these subsequent charges. So I get what she's saying. I understand what she's saying. Yeah, I think that's what she's trying to convey, and so I kind of understand where she's coming from.
Are you willing to write a statement?
Sure, whatever.
Okay.
So y'all gotta handcuff me and walk me somewhere to tell me why y'all handcuffing me and walking me somewhere. That's the way the United States goes.
Do you know about how long it'll keep him? Depends on how busy they are tonight, and unfortunately, he has felony charges now because he battered several police officers while this was going on, to include myself. He's lucky he didn't get sprayed because that was the next thing coming off my belt. Okay? I thought about the taser. Alright, so he's lucky tonight, honestly. He needs to
Honestly, he
else
could have
other than
been.
he drank
He
today.
should have been
If he's not
tased
normally
at
like
some
this, He
point.
needs to change his drink.
You can go be a security guard for $60,000 in DC, bro. Instead of sucking in Florida for $45,000.
Yeah, you go first.
You sucking ass.
Did you get patted down already?
No, I ain't do nothing. Nah.
Turn around, go.
Y'all was gonna do that the first time. Disney tickets, bro.
I'm moving, man.
Huh, man?
Bro, stop moving.
Put your foot down. Put your foot down. He put my foot up.
No, I touched it. You picked it up.
You picked it up. I picked it up for you.
Don't do that.
All right, so what you want me to do?
Just stay still. Turn around.
Hey, it's Disney's tickets in my fucking pants. I just took my kids to Disney.
Bro, I'm talking to you like a man.
You're not talking to me like a man. You took me off. You just hey, for y'all put me on the ground in front of my kids for no reason, bro. Tell me what the I did wrong. Tell me.
I'm doing it right now, man.
What action what I did wrong?
Bro,
Oh God, is he starting to
God,
cry?
bro, come on, sit me down. I'll take it. I'll take it. That's what I'm doing wrong, sitting down. Come on. Come on, bro, stop being so strong.
So what?
Stop being strong.
I'm not trying to be strong, bro. I haven't disrespected you at all.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Y'all slammed me on the
I
ground
didn't slam
in front of my kids, bro. I'm ready.
Stop!
What am I gonna do in handcuffs? I don't want these. Bro, get off. Bro, get off. Yeah. Just let me sit back. If y'all gonna let me.
Nope.
So what the f supposed to do?
Bro, sit down.
Fool, to do what?
Just stay seated.
I'm not calming down. I swear to God, I'm not calming down. Y'all just slammed me in front of my kids.
Sit down. Oh, sit down.
I'm not asking you why was police called. I was sitting in a plane with my daughter next to me. Why was police called, bro? What did I do, bro? I didn't say nothing to nobody. I didn't touch.
Ambulance call? Didn't the airlines call? Yeah, the airlines called. Okay.
And said what?
The airline.
And said what?
That you being disruptive.
What did I do that was disruptive? Is it cameras on it?
Really? Really?
There's cameras over there.
What? Please, I bet.
bro.
No problem. It's a lawsuit. Is cameras on the plane? Get a law. Get the cameras. That's the only place my ID should be. So if y'all slam me down, my ID lost, then y'all lost my ID. And that's crazy. Y'all done slam me down in front of my daughter, lost my ID.
Is that he's probably drunk, but he's also probably being what's the term? Emotional. So he's like, what? Why y'all notice me, man? Realizing how much he fucked up tonight.
ID for what reason? I'm suing the shit. Can I get a call from all y'all? I promise my God, my lawyer is going to fuck y'all over, bro.
All right, here's the issue. He's still not happy, but he's not giving us his ID information. If I don't get his correct ID, we're going to put him under a John Doe, and it's going to take 3 times as long to get him out of jail. Okay, because they have to figure out who he is.
So can I go talk to him?
No, you can't go talk to him, but I can give you the information. If you can give me his information, I can relay it to the person who's writing his charging affidavit.
I don't have his information.
You don't know his name?
I know his name, but I don't.
And his birthday?
I don't have all his information.
That's okay. As long as I got a name and a birthday, I mean.
Can we go? Can I go talk to him?
No, he's already in a car and on his way to jail. If you don't want to give me the information, by all means, we'll put him under John Doe, and it'll take longer.
Can I go talk to him at least? Can his daughter go talk to him?
Thank you.
Here's something that most people don't know.
No. Sorry.
Airports are technically one of the most dangerous places for officers to make arrests because of the federal jurisdictional mess that hangs over every square inch. You got TSA, airport police, city cops, and federal marshals all potentially involved, but rarely coordinated. That means when someone causes a
also true
problem inside an airport, officers don't just have to worry about public safety. They have to worry about stepping on the wrong agency's toes. Think about it. Families, pilots, unarmed TSA agents, and flight crews are one wrong step away from mayhem. So cops walk into this mess with one job: shut it down before it spirals. But when the suspect's already deep inside a spiral of rage, the only option is to contain it and fast. And if you watch closely, you'll notice something during these kinds of calls because the eyes of the suspect often don't match the surroundings. It's like they're in a different world still fighting their demons. And some people don't want to weigh out. They want to target. You could show up calm, patient, and respectful, and it wouldn't matter. Because for certain individuals, especially being emotionally unstable, confrontation is the goal. I've lost count of how many times I started out respectful, calm voice, open posture, trying to de-escalate like we're trained, and minutes later I'm on the ground fighting to keep someone from grabbing my gun.
Also true. I mean, God knows how many times we've seen body cam footage, guys, of a seemingly by the books routine stop turning into absolute hell in 15 seconds or 10 seconds flat.
Or headbutting me in front of everybody watching. But here's the problem. On many occasions, once the cuffs are on, the phones come out, and suddenly the officer is the problem. Not the...
Also true. Again, Officer John is giving... Now, look. Officer John is giving the perspective of an officer, and I understand that. I respect that, and he's very true in that respect. That oftentimes, in many of these situations, the cop isn't the one who escalated the situation. It's only until after the person's acting crazy and the cop is having to do some compliance strikes or whatever have you, and that's when the cameras come on. I get that. I'm also not like a bootlicker. I'm not, and I hate the term. I'm also not a bootlicker. And I also understand that in many instances, the cops can be the instigating factor and have been the instigating factor in some of these situations. I'm not going to pretend here the cops are always in the right or always in the wrong. It's always a case-by-case situation. But anyway.
The guy screaming at strangers at an airport terminal with a person in uniform. And in today's world, the more someone resists, the more people question the one who stood firm. But if we keep confusing professionalism with weakness, one day the people who run towards these calls might just stop showing up. And trust me, we don't want that.
This suspect was charged with resisting with violence, resisting without violence, assault on a law enforcement officer, and disorderly conduct, totaling a bond of $5,500. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. Records indicate he has been permanently banned from booking a future flight with Spirit Airlines.
Imagine being banned Permanently banned from Spirit Airlines. How bad you gotta be for that one? Anyway. So that's what the thing that I kind of emphasize the most. I'm well aware. I'm well aware that my channel tends to be pretty tends to showcase like fairly pro police situations. I get that. I understand that. I am pro police. I'm admitting my bias. I understand my bias is there. My brother is a cop. You know, as much as he and I have our issues, I trust him to understand, and I trust his judgment. And I've seen what happens when certain camera angles and when the camera comes on, yada, how that can affect the narrative. But I'm not going to sit here and pretend that it's always, there's always a valid excuse for an officer. It's always going to be a case by case. It's always going to be, and there's always going to be plenty of situations where cops are going to go overboard. They can go overboard. They can abuse their power. They can abuse their position. It's happened, and it will happen. There's no denying that. And I feel like anybody who pretends otherwise are just as moronic as the people who basically say that all cops who basically go off on the ACAB, all cops are bastards, right? There's always going to be a situation to dissect and discuss, and it takes good public policy to ensure that everybody's held accountable. How many times have we talked about how body cameras are the most are the best things to happen to both the citizenry and the cops? Body cameras. And I will absolutely request any and all the funding necessary so that all law enforcement officers are able to have body cameras and can afford to have body cameras, because they are the best things for both the citizen and the law enforcement officer. Anyway. All right. Enough on my soapbox. All right. I appreciate you guys. I'm probably going to see you guys Monday. Hope you guys are doing well. If I don't see you Monday, excuse me. Did I say Monday? I see Friday. I'll see you guys Friday. If I don't see you guys Friday, that means I might be touching grass. So, all right. Hit that like button. Check out my Discord. All the good stuff. Appreciate it, you guys, and all your assistance. Shelly, thank you for the $20 super chat, and I hope to see you guys next time. Okay. Take care. Adios. Yeah.